Hello everyone, my name is Song Yuan. Welcome to this video tutorial series on medicine's patent pool, patent and license database MedsPaL. MedsPaL is a free resource that provides patent and license information on essential medical products and technologies to support global health advocacy and access. In 2024, we released a new version with a new design, enhanced content, and functionalities. Currently, MedsPaL provides information on patent data, license information, and data exclusivity. Our database covers patented medicines, in particular those included in the WHO Essential Medicine List, vaccines for health emergencies with a focus on COVID-19 and Mpox, a selection of long-acting technologies used for extended release or pharmaceuticals. Today, many procurement agencies and public health organizations are using MedsPaL, so why not you? Let's connect medspal.org for our first tutorial on basic search. In MedsPaL, all products are selected by default. You may restrict your search to a specific one by selecting the corresponding chip or chips. Let's select medicines here. Now we try to search for products containing dolutegravir. The drop-down will filter all the products containing dolutegravir. You can use the checkboxes to select preferred products. Select 50 mg here. Then the selected product or products are shown on the top of the list under current selection. You may use toggle all to unselect or select all the entries. Use clear search to remove your selection. The keyword helps search across all possible fields in the results table and other internal information such as abbreviations or development names with typo tolerance. Now let's try with the brand name TVK. So the results are displayed in the Patent tab with the PCT or International Patent Application displayed by default at the top of the list. Scroll down the result table to see other countries. Now let's select jurisdiction as Ukraine. The patent or patent applications are listed here on the right. This license and the other agreements will be listed on the left under the product details. And the data exclusivity expiry date will be found here. So with a simple search, users can have access to patent data, license information, and information on data exclusivity protection. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned as we dive into the new features and functionalities in the upcoming episodes. For more information or to access MedsPaL, please don't hesitate to click the link below to visit. See you soon!